My proof is the Quran. 157 to 159.
My
They
friend,
never killed him.
okay, hold on, hold on.
They crucify him.
Hold on,
they
hold on.
were made to think that they did.
Let me show you the verse, my friend, and let us love together. Let us love together. Let us love together. You see, chapter 4, verse 157. Chapter 4, verse 157. What translation you like me to read for you?
I said I don't care what you read. I'm telling you. I'm not telling you about
what translation. What
translation
translation you accept? What the translation you are reading for me from? You when you read what translation?
Yes.
Who cares? Okay, who cares? No problem, guys. Who cares? I mean, well, I'm not going to waste my time. I'm trying to be nice to you. Okay, read with me carefully. They say in both that we killed Jesus, the son of Mary, the messenger of Allah, but they killed him not, nor crucified him, but it was made appear to them. Do you agree with that?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much, guys. Listen to this carefully. This guy, he agreed that there was a person who looked exactly like Jesus on the cross.
I never said that. I never said that.
Well, he says appeared to them. What does that mean? What does that mean? It was made to appear to them.
You can ask that, but don't make me don't put word in my mouth.
Okay, what is that mean? Explain. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay, you ask questions. You don't assume things.
I'm not assuming. I am not assuming. This is what all your scholars agree upon. Do you want me to get you busted?
Ask me. Ask me. Why don't you ask me?
I am asking you, and I'm assuming that you know what the scholars say. Are you saying that your prophet is a liar too? Because you're a prophet who told the Muslims that. You're a prophet. He told them that Allah, he cloned someone look like Jesus.
Allah said, "Iza ja'aka al-munafiquna qalu nashhadu." Yes, there are hypocrites within Muslims.
Oh, the Muslims are hypocrites and they are telling a lie. Okay, what is your lie? Tell us your lie. Tell us your lie.
Just listen to me. Don't tell me what. Don't put word in my mouth.
Okay, so
you ask me.
What was made appear to them mean?
Now, okay. Now I'm gonna give you an answer from the Bible. Okay. Now I want you to go to Matthew 27:17. Go to Matthew 27:17. On the revised Bible. On the original, he said, what does it say? It says, when the pilot came, when they got Jesus, put him in prison, right? They put Jesus in prison, and there was another man called Jesus the Barabbas. Who was Jesus the Barabbas? There was two people called, but that's why I asked you yesterday that question. There was two men called Jesus in that jail, and the wife of the pilot said, the pilot, do not kill that good man. Don't deliver him to them bad people. And the pilot asked people, who do you want me to deliver you? Is this Jesus Barabbas or Jesus called Christ? They said Jesus, the so-called Christ. He delivered Jesus Barabbas. It's in your own Bible.
So, but which one they crucify, my friend?
They crucified Jesus Barabbas.
Where it says that, my friend, they crucify all of them, my friend. They crucify everybody was there. However, listen, they crucify everybody knows. You see, you just destroy your Quran. You just destroy the Quran. You just destroy the Quran. This is how stupid you are. Because if they crucify a guy, his name is Barnabas, that's mean the Quran is lying. The Quran is lying then, because the Quran says made to appear to them, which mean they saw someone look exactly like Jesus. If I change the name, if let us say, hold on, shut up, idiot, shut up. If there's 10 guys, their name is Muhammad, still there's one person, he looked like Muhammad.
Yes.
Okay.
Jesus Barabbas.
He looked exactly like Jesus. He looked exactly like Jesus, the one they want to crucify.
Nobody said he looked like Jesus.
My friend, the Jews, all of them, they knew how Jesus looked like. The Jews, they witnessed his miracle by thousands. He was speaking to them. He was witnessing to them. He was preaching them. He spoke to them in the mountain. He spoke to them in Jerusalem. He spoke to them in Bethlehem. He spoke to them everywhere. So how the Jews, they will be fooled by a guy just because his name is Jesus? Are you stupid or what?
In your own Bible, they saying, did we really kill Jesus the Barabbas? They asking themselves a question.
My friend, you are a foolish man, because the same book you are reading saying tens of times that Jesus was crucified.
I said, listen to me. In your own Bible, it is saying that they have doubt. Who did they kill really? In your own Bible.
Where it says they have a doubt about who they killed there? You show me where it says that.
Go ahead and prove Matthew 27:17, 18.
My friend. Are you saying? Oh, hold on. Don't scream. Take it easy. Let me ask you. Did the book of Matthew? You said the book of Matthew, right?
Yes.
Okay. In the book of Matthew, Matthew. Did the book of Matthew speak and confirm that Jesus was crucified?
I said, did the book of Matthew, starting
my friend,
27.
I'm asking you, how many times I need to repeat? What's wrong with you? In the book of Matthew, what's wrong with you? How many times the book of Matthew confirm that the one who was crucified is Jesus?
Matthew, I said the people are asking themselves, who did we kill?
Yeah, so
the pilot had
so who we will kill? But they killed Jesus.
No. Do you know?
Open with me. Don't be a foolish man. All the Christians, the book of Matthew is in front of us. People are laughing at you. Let me hang up on you and call me after I play this chapter. And so everybody can hold on. Call me back after I play this. I will show everybody how stupid you are and what you are saying and how silly it is. You Muslims are very confused and you are going against your own Quran. Muslims are the most funny, stupid people ever I met in my life when they try to explain to us their book and our book. They do not know what their book mean. They do not know what our book mean. When I say to him the scholars of Islam, they say so, he said they are munafiqun, they are liars. You are the liar too. You are no different. This is the book of Matthew.
Matthew 27. When the morning was come, all the chief priests and elders of the people took counsel against Jesus to put him to death. And when they had bound him, they led him away and delivered him to Pontius Pilate the governor. Then Judas, which had betrayed him, when he saw that he was condemned, repented himself and brought again the 30 pieces of silver to the chief priests and elders, saying, I have sinned, and that I have betrayed the innocent blood. And they said, What is that to us? See thou to that. And he cast down the pieces of silver in the temple, and departed, and went, and hanged himself. And the chief priest took the silver pieces, and said, It is not lawful for to put them into the treasury, because it is the price of blood. And they took counsel, and bought with them the potter's field, to bury strangers in. Wherefore that field was called the field of blood unto this day. Then was fulfilled that which was spoken by Jeremy the prophet, saying, And they took the 30 pieces of silver, the price of him that was valued, whom they of the children of Israel did value, and gave them for the potter's field, as the Lord appointed me. And Jesus stood before the governor, and the governor asked him, saying, Art thou the King of the Jews? And Jesus said unto him, Thou sayest. And when he was accused of the chief priests and elders, he answered nothing. Then said Pilate unto him, Hearest thou not how many things they witness against thee? And he answered him to never a word, insomuch that the governor marveled greatly. Now at that feast the governor was wont to release unto the people a prisoner whom they would. And they had then a notable prisoner called Barabbas. Therefore when they were gathered together, Pilate said unto them, Whom will ye that I release unto you, Barabbas, or Jesus, which is called Christ? For he knew that for envy they had delivered him. When he was set down on the judgment seat, his wife sent unto him, saying, Have thou nothing to do with that just man? For I have suffered many things this day.
So you see, guys, how they lie? The ruler, he said, which one you want me to free for you? This person or this person? And the verses says it clear who is the one who was freed. Very stupid of you, very naive of you, and you are being a donkey like the rest of you. And not only that, you are making mockery of the Quran. He's making mockery of the Quran and even the story told by Muhammad himself. How are you, Hassan? Hassan, are you there?
And even the story told.
Hello?
Hello.
Mute the YouTube, please.
Hello.
Okay, mute the YouTube.
the YouTube. Okay, mute the YouTube.
Okay, go ahead, man. I'm not going to waste my time asking you to mute YouTube. Hello. Are you there?
Yeah, I'm here. Okay, Christian Prince.
Okay, my friend, let me ask you a question. Do you agree with this guy saying, is it true what the Quran says that Allah he cloned, or Muhammad said that Allah he cloned someone look like Jesus, or you don't agree?
Allah said that he switched Jesus Christ with somebody else.
Okay, so he switched, so he cloned. It's not somebody. It's not what this guy is saying. He made someone look like Jesus, correct? He made someone look like Jesus, correct?
Okay, so you believe. Okay, so you believe God died. You believe God. They crucified God.
No, we don't believe anyone can kill God. Nobody can kill God. Nobody. Nobody can kill God. No. They killed the flesh. They killed the man, the flesh of the man. Nobody can kill God. God is always alive. Let me ask you a question. Let me laugh at you too. Let me laugh at you. Let me laugh at you. Just to show you that you Muslims are a bunch of ignorant. Isn't it your prophet who said the one who was killed, he is alive?
No. Okay.
Did your prophet say that the one who is killed for us? Did your prophet say, don't shout? Did your prophet say the one who died as a murderer, he is alive, he is not dead? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no, Abdul? Yes or no? The one who died as a murderer, the one who died as a murderer, he is alive. Are you accusing your prophet to be a liar?
Listen to me.
Are you accusing your prophet to be a liar? Chapter 2 verse 154. Chapter 2 verse number 154. Just sit up. Read with me carefully, guys. Those Muslims are making fun of their book. Don't speak to me with respect. I will hang up on you. I don't have to talk to you. This is your prophet saying that the one who they are killed, and this is not Jesus, just a normal Muslim, the one who is killed as a murderer, you think they are dead, but the fact they are alive and you don't know. Are you accusing your prophet to be a liar? Chapter 2 verse number 154. If this has happened to a normal Abdul, what will happen to someone he is not? He's like Jesus. If this has happened. Hello.